Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll show you guys how I made this beautiful wig. If that sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. For this video, the cap I'm using is this cap here. This is not the normal cap I use for my braided wig videos, but this is what I have. I placed order for some caps and they are not yet here, so we'll make do with this cap here. It's also very secured, so if this is what you have, you can use it as well. And if it's not tight on you, you can go ahead and sew an elastic band or sew in a wig comb on it. The hair I'm using is from Niseyo hair. This is your 12-inch Boho Box Braid, and in a pack it has 16 strands or 16 box braid in it, and this is what it looks like straight out of the pack. It is really soft and lightweighted. You guys see the coils. I'm going to leave details of this hair in the description box, so check my description box for more details on this hair. I'm using the sewing method to sew in these braids to the wig cap, and it is very easy to do. All you just have to do is sew in each of the braids to the wig cap, and at the front I'm going to show you guys how I made the front to look the way it is. Also, you can crochet this to your hair. Just make your cornrows and then use your crochet hook to crochet it to your hair, and it is also very easy. Or you can put it in a wig form like I'm doing now, and you know what the benefits are. It just tends to serve you way longer than when you crochet to your hair. Like if you're carrying this, you tend to carry it for like 4 weeks or 8 weeks, depends on you. But if it's in a wig form, you can wear it today and decide to wear another wig tomorrow. Like just we can wear it for months, like even years, you know, when it's on a wig. Like you can just keep it when you're done. It just tends to save you a lot of stress, and also it protects your edges. You guys know wearing a wig is the best form of taking care of your edges or your hair. So putting in a wig form is still better. Crocheting to your head is also better. So do you, girl, just do whatever you want. So I'm putting this in a wig form, and I'm using the sewing method to do this. And at the front I'm going to show you guys how I make my patterns. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away.
For the front part of this wig, I already sewed in my lace net to the wig cap. You guys already know that this is a non-closure wig, so I'm not using a closure. I'm not using a closure. I rather sew in a lace net and then work on it.
Mind you can't control, running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise, and we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. inside out.
For the pattern of this wig, I'm going to mark where I want the line to be, my center part to be, and I'm using my concealer and a brush to just mark where I want my pattern to be. This will just serve as a guideline for me when I'm sewing in the braid to the front, so I know where to sew it to, and as in it just gives a guideline on how to make your pattern straight. So I would advise that if you're just starting out, always try and mark your lines so it gives you direction on how to have a straight line.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take you so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers get answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. I was waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
After sewing the braids to the wig cap, I'm going to trim the excess at the down so I have a uniform length. I don't want a situation whereby one is longer than the other, or some are dropping and some at the top. No, I don't want that. So I'm going to trim the excess at the down just so everything is equal and looking beautiful. The installation of this wig takes around 3 to 4 hours to sew in all the Boho Box braids to the wig cap, and it is very easy to do and it's beginner friendly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Shine